Hi learners! In today's video, you will learn about dilation as a transformation. Locating the center of dilation will be the main focus of the lesson. Finding the center of dilation will be demonstrated so that you will be able to apply these learnings in answering application problems on the topic. Strategies in analyzing and solving word problems related to the topic are showcased to let you gain an understanding on how these are done so that you will be able to successfully answer geometry problems similar to this in the future. If your lesson is on dilation, or if you have an assignment on this topic, or if you are preparing for a test in math or a test in geometry in particular, or you're someone who is interested in learning math, then this video is for you. How does a dilation take place again? Let us look at this, learners. Now, what did you observe? We see that the image changes its size depending on how far the image is from the center of dilation. As the distance of the image from the center of dilation increases, the size of the image increases. As the distance from the center of dilation decreases, the size of the image decreases as well. Hence, dilation is a transformation where the image is resized by the center of dilation. Though the image is of different size as the pre-image, the shapes of the two are the same. Hence, they are similar. It must be noted too that corresponding points on the pre-image and the image remain on the same lines as the image is resized during dilation. This is a property of dilation. These lines, where the corresponding points are located, all meet at the center of dilation. This property is the basis in locating the center of dilation if a problem calls for it. Locating the center of dilation is what we will do here. Okay, so let us look at this sample problem. Sample problem 1. Here's the problem. Suppose line segment P prime Q prime is the image of line segment PQ after a dilation. You have a figure given. Locate and draw the center of dilation. As usual, we begin by reading the whole problem and may read it several times when needed to know what we're looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information help find what we're looking for. What is asking the problem, learners? You're right, we are to locate and draw the center of dilation. What are given? We're given a figure where line segment P prime Q prime is the image of line segment PQ after a dilation. To answer the problem, you have to recall the property of dilation, which says the corresponding points on the pre-image and the image remain on the same lines during dilation. Okay, so on the figure, the image is line segment P prime Q prime, and the pre-image is line segment PQ. To locate the center of dilation, we will draw a line connecting the corresponding points Q and Q prime and another line connecting points P and P prime. When drawing the lines, extend the lines so that you will be able to locate the points where they meet. Let's go. Now, do you see where the lines meet? This is the center of dilation. We found it. That was easy, right? Okay, so let us look at this other problem, sample problem 2. Here's the problem. Locate the center of dilation that will carry triangle RST onto triangle XYZ. A figure is given. Here are the options. Option A, 3, -1. Option B, 0, 1. Option C, 0, 0. Option D, 2, negative 2. As usual, we begin by reading the whole problem and may read it several times when needed to know what we're looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information help find what we are looking for. Okay, what is asked in the problem, learners? You are correct. We are to locate the center of dilation that will carry triangle RST onto triangle XYZ. What are given? We're given a figure where triangle RST is dilated to form triangle XYZ. Here, triangle RST is the preimage and triangle XYZ is the image. Identifying the image and the preimage at this time is not that important in locating the center of dilation. But it is good to be able to recognize which one is the image and which one is the preimage, for word problems on determining the scale factor will require this. Now, this one is very important. Identifying the corresponding points on the preimage and the image. Which pair are the corresponding points, learners? Okay, so the corresponding points are points R and X, points S and Y, and points T and Z. Next, we connect the corresponding points. Remember that this pair of corresponding points remain on the same lines during dilation. When connecting the points, do not be afraid to extend the lines. Take note that we are looking for the center of dilation. We have no idea where on the coordinate plane this is. So make the lines long so we will be able to locate it. Let's go. Look at the lines that we have drawn. Where do they meet? Where they meet is the center of dilation. We got it. So what is our answer? Is it option A? Option B? Or is it option C? Or option D? Okay, so the answer is option D. The center of dilation is at 2, negative 2. There you are, learners. We have answered the problem. Okay, we will have one more problem. Sample problem 3. Here's the problem. The diagram below shows two quadrilaterals graphed on a coordinate plane where quadrilateral A is dilated to form quadrilateral B. A figure is given. Locate the center of dilation. Option A, 0, 3. Option B, negative 3, 0. Option C, negative 1, 1. Option D, 0, 0. As usual, we begin by reading the whole problem and may read it several times when needed to know what we're looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information help find what we are looking for. What is asked in the problem, learners? Right, we are to locate the center of dilation. What are given? We're given a figure with two quadrilaterals graphed on a coordinate plane where quadrilateral A is dilated to form quadrilateral B. So we start by identifying the corresponding points on the preimage and the image. Which pair are the corresponding points, learners? Okay, so here are the corresponding points. Next, we connect each corresponding pair. Remember that this pair of corresponding points remain on the same lines during dilation. As in the previous problem, do not be afraid to extend the lines connecting the corresponding points. Let's go. Here are the lines connecting the corresponding points. The point where the lines meet is the center of dilation. Bingo, we have the answer. Okay, so what is the answer again? Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Okay, so the answer is option D. The center of dilation is at 0, 0, the origin. That again was easy. There you are, learners. I hope you acquired lots of learnings in today's video. Let us summarize what we have learned in today's video. We have learned that, first, a dilation is a transformation that produces an image that is of the same shape but not of the same size as the preimage. The preimage and the image are similar. Second, the fixed point where the image is resized in dilation is called the center of dilation. Third, the corresponding points on the preimage and the image remain on the same lines as the image is resized during dilation. Fourth, the lines where the corresponding points are located all meet at the center of dilation. Fifth, when solving a problem, you must read it and may read it several times when needed to know what you're looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information helps find what you are looking for. Sixth, when a figure is given, make use of it and modify when needed. It is there to help you analyze and solve the problem. There you are, learners. Hope this video helps. That's it for now. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your peers so others will learn too.